Bullish Metahero cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Hero could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Metahero market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Metahero presentation. Metahero symbols and virtual items are made utilizing state-of-the-art 3D innovation that makes them look super practical. This permits clients to make extraordinarily exact 3D portrayals of themselves or some other article they can envision. The Metahero stage gives many apparatuses and highlights that make it simple for clients to make, offer, and utilize their symbols and virtual articles. As well as having the option to make itemized 3D models, clients can likewise add liveliness, surfaces, and lighting impacts to their manifestations. Metahero is something beyond a great method for communicating your thoughts on the web. It additionally has certifiable applications in fields like style, workmanship, medication, and gaming. In the style business, for instance, architects can utilize Metahero to make computerized models of their attire plans before they start creation. This assists set aside with timing and cash by permitting fashioners to try out various thoughts rapidly and without any problem. What is Metahero? To make 3D symbols and virtual merchandise for use in web-based entertainment, computer games, style, human expression, and clinical. Metahero, a deflationary genuine utility token, use an extraordinarily practical 3D innovation. Metahero Essential Investigation. With an end goal to enroll the following 10 million cryptographic money clients, Metahero is acquainting metascanning innovation with the metaverse. Hero's super sensible 3D innovation can be utilized to make unbelievably similar symbols and virtual items, making it ideal for use across a large number of enterprises. Whether you're hoping to make another online entertainment profile, plan another game person, or foster a momentous new clinical gadget, Hero has the devices you want to rejuvenate your vision. Furthermore, Hero is a deflationary token, truly intending that there will be a restricted stock of HEROs available for use. This makes Hero the ideal speculation for those hoping to make a very early move with a thrilling new task with enormous potential. Wait, don't as well. Snatch a few HEROs today and begin constructing your tomorrow. Metahero current cost. Metahero is at present worth $0. Hero has moved 8.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,238,901. Metahero is presently positioned 556 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $26,381,360 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Metahero to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Metahero market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Metahero Value Forecast 2023. Metahero, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Hero cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progression. Hero is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Metahero Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Metahero Hero cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hero will before long outperform 1 cent. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Hero's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market unpredictability. Hero will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Metahero Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and Hero might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Metahero Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Metahero effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Hero coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hero will be green in 2026. The Hero is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Metahero Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Hero cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Hero has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Metahero value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Hero figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Hero needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Metahero value forecast 2029. While Hero is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Metahero value expectation 2030. By 2030, Metahero will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Metahero value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Hero cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. And there are a lot of digital money extends that focus on NFTs and games. However, not very many incorporate 3D examining. For this situation, Metahero gives a reaction to the question, what might it be want to infuse oneself into the web? Metahero needs to fabricate something totally new utilizing R, VR, cloud servers, blockchain, and Super HD examining. What is the Metahero cost today? Today, Metahero is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $26,381,360. Is Metahero a wise speculation? Metahero ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that Hero is a decent decision of venture. How high could Metahero at any point go? The typical cost of Metahero might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Metahero might outperform 3 cents. What amount will Metahero be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of digital money and Metahero, a drawn-out interest in Hero could see the value ascend to 3 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Metahero be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Metahero today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Hero might actually ascend to 6 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Metahero cost be in 2024? Metahero cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2024. What will the Metahero cost be in 2025? Metahero cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2025. What will the Metahero cost be in 2026? Metahero cost is supposed to reach 2 cents by 2026. What will the Metahero cost be in